In the early 1900s, a vision took shape in the shipyards of Belfast. The Titanic, a marvel of human ingenuity and ambition, began its journey as the largest and most luxurious ship of its era. This was a time when the world was captivated by technological advancements, and shipbuilding was at the forefront of human achievement. The Titanic's construction was not just about creating a vessel. It was about pushing the boundaries of what was possible, marking an era defined by bold dreams and meticulous craftsmanship. As workers toiled day and night, they brought to life a floating palace that promised unparalleled opulence and safety. The Titanic stood as a symbol of progress, a beacon of hope for a new century. But beyond the grandeur lay a narrative woven with human stories, each tied to the ship's destiny. This introduction sets the stage for a tale of ambition and tragedy, inviting us to explore how this majestic ship came to be and how it would forever change the course of maritime history. As we delve deeper, we embark on a journey through time, uncovering the layers of this legendary saga. On April 10, 1912, the world witnessed the grand launch of the Titanic, a symbol of human ambition and engineering brilliance. As it departed from Southampton, the ship was hailed as a floating palace, embodying the pinnacle of luxury and modernity. Passengers from all walks of life boarded with excitement, destined for a new world across the Atlantic. The Titanic was not just a vessel, it was a marvel, boasting opulent suites, exquisite dining halls, and cutting-edge technology. Her maiden voyage was more than just a journey, it was an event marked by anticipation and grandeur. The Titanic's launch was a testament to the era's ingenuity, representing a new age in maritime travel. Yet, amidst the excitement and celebration, few could foresee the looming fate that awaited this majestic ship. As we delve into this voyage, we uncover the stories of those who embarked on this historic journey, setting the stage for what would become one of the most poignant tales in maritime history. As the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage, it was a marvel of its time, a floating palace gliding through the Atlantic. Passengers from all walks of life reveled in the ship's luxury, with opulent dining halls and lavish cabins offering a glimpse into a world of elegance and splendor. Yet, beneath this facade of grandeur, life on board was a tapestry of diverse experiences. The crew worked tirelessly, navigating the vast ocean while ensuring the comfort and safety of all aboard. Each day unfolded with a blend of routine and excitement as passengers strolled along the decks, socialized in the lounges, and marveled at the boundless sea. Little did they know, their voyage was more than just a journey across waters. It was a passage through history. With every nautical mile, the Titanic etched itself deeper into the annals of time, carrying its passengers toward an unforeseen fate. As we continue our exploration, let us delve into the night when destiny struck, altering the course of history forever. On the serene night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic sailed through the North Atlantic under a sky of stars. The atmosphere was calm, with passengers enjoying the luxury and comfort of the grand ship. Unbeknownst to them, destiny was about to strike. Just before midnight, a lookout spotted an iceberg looming ominously in the ship's path. Despite desperate efforts to steer clear, the Titanic collided with the iceberg, its fate sealed in those fateful moments. The impact was sudden and jarring, shattering the tranquility of the night. Chaos ensued as reality dawned on both passengers and crew. The majestic ship, once a beacon of human achievement, was now a scene of pandemonium and fear. Panic spread as the gravity of the situation became apparent. In the immediate aftermath, the crew scrambled to assess the damage and begin evacuation procedures. Lifeboats were launched into the icy waters, yet there were not nearly enough for all aboard. The realization of impending disaster gripped everyone as they faced an unimaginable reality. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a tragic end for the Titanic. As passengers fought for survival amidst freezing temperatures, stories of courage and despair emerged from the chaos. The collision with the iceberg transformed a journey of opulence into a desperate struggle for life. The events of that night would echo through history, shaping maritime safety for generations to come. In the early hours of April 15, 1912, the Titanic, once hailed as unsinkable, surrendered to the icy depths of the North Atlantic. Panic spread as lifeboats were deployed amidst the chaos. yet there were not enough for all. In these final moments, stories of unparalleled bravery emerged. Crew members and passengers alike displayed heroic courage, some choosing to remain behind, ensuring others had a chance to escape. Among them were countless acts of selflessness, forever etching their legacies into the annals of history. The ship's band continued to play, providing a semblance of calm amid the impending doom. As the sea claimed its prize, over 1,500 souls were lost in this maritime tragedy. Yet, even in the face of such profound loss, the spirit of humanity shone through. Tales of sacrifice and resilience became enduring legends, serving as poignant reminders of both human vulnerability and strength. As the Titanic slipped beneath the waves, it left behind a haunting echo of lessons learned. This tragedy would go on to reshape maritime safety regulations forever, ensuring that such a disaster would never be repeated. From this darkness emerged a legacy of change and remembrance. With the dawn breaking over the horizon, we turn our gaze to the aftermath and legacy of the Titanic. As dawn broke on April 15, 1912, the world awoke to the devastating news of the Titanic's sinking. The immediate rescue of survivors by the Carpathia marked a glimmer of hope amidst the tragedy. This disaster, however, was not in vain. It prompted revolutionary changes in maritime regulations, enforcing stricter safety measures that ensured such a calamity would never be repeated. The legacy of the Titanic extends beyond its tragic end. It serves as a somber reminder of human vulnerability against nature's might. The tales of heroism and loss continue to echo through time, etching the Titanic into our collective memory. As we reflect on this monumental event, we are reminded of both the limits and resilience of human ambition. The Titanic's story is not just about a ship lost to the sea, but a narrative of lessons learned and lives forever changed. Through these changes, the Titanic's enduring legacy lives on, shaping the future of maritime safety and reminding us of the profound impact of history on our present and future.